Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. In this weekend vlog, it's really not much to do that I'm doing on this Friday. But the vlog is really about what's going on Saturday. But here I am getting ready to go and get my hair cut. And I was explaining how it decided to want it to rain when I wanted to leave the house. And the Houston traffic. When it rains, people act like they are scared of the rain. And here I'm finally at the at the barbershop to get my hair cut. And now I am just patiently waiting on my barber to text me to let me know that she's ready for me to come in, because she still likes to have just one person at a time. And after I leave the barbershop, then I go to Target. But as soon as I walk in the door, the music is so loud. I had to do a voiceover because the music was like way too loud. I wouldn't have been able to hear. You wouldn't have been able to hear much of what I was saying because I would have to talk loud. But anyway, I was just going through a couple of things, looking at a couple of things, and what I needed to do was go buy me a bra. But I just hate bra shopping. I just had to. I didn't even see what I wanted, so I didn't get one. And then now this is my new section. This is the GG section. So this is I was looking for something for my daughter to take to her baby shower. Y'all, y'all, I'm sorry I didn't call y'all back when when I came back from Target, but I was super tired, super tired. But these are the Target bags, and I had to put the stuff up that was in it. But now I am going to get ready to do my hair. So I'm gonna try to get that on camera. My camera has been messing up for the past month, so I really need to get another camera, but I'm gonna have to hold off on that until. So I'm gonna try to do it. But right now I'm getting ready to color my hair. I have to do this in the bathroom mirror. I am wearing the dress is from Rainbow. Don't sleep on Rainbow. The dress is from Rainbow. Watch is from Dolce & Gabbana. Ring, this is my class ring. Necklace is a Louis Vuitton. Bracelets are Louis Vuitton and Hermes. Hair by It's a Sweet Life. Color by yours truly. You can't see my shoes because I had to do it in the bathroom mirror, and I am super late, so I have got to go. But I will try to catch some footage at the baby shower, but this is my baby's baby shower, so I may not be able to do it. This is Gigi at the baby shower, so I may not be able to do anything at the baby shower, but I will try, and if not, you'll see some pictures. But I have got to go, and I will see y'all later.